Take your surface prep to the next level with the Tomahawk 10-inch electric floor grinder, built tough for contractors who demand reliable, high-performance equipment for concrete grinding and floor restoration. Whether you're prepping for epoxy coatings, smoothing uneven slabs, or removing surface layers, this grinder is built to get the job done faster and more efficiently. Start by carefully unboxing the grinder and removing all packaging materials. Inspect all components before moving forward. Begin assembly by raising the handles and securing them in place using a 17mm wrench. Then, install the handlebar grips and lock them down firmly with a 19mm wrench to maintain full control during operation. To install the grinding disc, tilt the grinder back onto its handles for easier access to the base. Using an Allen wrench, loosen the mounting screws. Fit the screws through the new grinding disc, align them with the holes on the grinder's base plate, and fasten them securely. Once assembled, you're ready to grind. Connect a shop vac to the vacuum port for dust control, or attach a garden hose to the valve for wet grinding. Place the machine on a flat, level surface. If the rear of the disc is higher than the front, turn the control knob counterclockwise. If the front is higher, turn it clockwise. After each adjustment, make a light pass to check for full contact across the disc. If diamonds glaze, or you're removing sticky adhesives, spread silica sand to improve performance. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.